Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered faulty hardware corrupted page error, then watch this video for the solution. First thing we need to do is disable the fast startup option. So click the Windows and the R button together and we will enter the command powercfg.cpl. Then we'll click on OK or press enter. Then we'll click on choose what the power buttons do. Then we'll click on change settings that are currently unavailable and we'll uncheck turn on fast startup and click on save changes. Then we will run the SFC and DISM scans. So we will look for command prompt, run as administrator, enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. I won't because it will take some time and I want to keep this video short for your convenience. Then enter the command dism space slash online space slash CLEANUP hyphen IMAGE space slash RES TOREHEALTH. Okay, and enter this command. Now this will also take some time. While you're running this command, make sure that your Wi-Fi is working, because this compares the scan to the online files. And once you run these commands, then you will have to run the power diagnostics. So press the Windows and the R key together and enter the command msdt.exe space slash id space power diagnostic and hit the enter key and click on next, and it will run the power troubleshooter. Then we will run the memory troubleshooter. Press the Windows and the R key simultaneously and enter the command msdt space hyphen id space DEVICE and click OK, and then click on next, and this will detect any problems with your hardware and devices. Now we should just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, the power button and restart, and we should not face this error again, this blue screen of death error. But if we do, then the only two options left is, one, you need to do a clean boot and hope for the best. Right click on the start button, go to settings, look for system, troubleshoot, not troubleshoot, you need to look for recovery. Sorry about that, recovery. Click on reset PC and click on remove everything. But before you do this, make sure you back up your personal data on a external hard disk. Then click on cloud download, click on next, and while you're doing cloud download, make sure that you're online, you're connected to the network and it's a stable connection. Then the next button that will pop up here is reset. Now it will take some time, so I'll tell you that you have to click reset and end this video to keep it short. And it should install a fresh copy of Windows operating system on your computer. And finally, if this too doesn't work and you're still encountering the blue screen of death error, it basically means, it boils down to one thing: you have a hardware issue. Either your RAM is failing or you have some improperly secured hardware connection in your systems, in your computer. So you need to contact a hardware technician and get it fixed. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.